Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to add a user PC main controller. In our last video, we discussed about how to promote a server to a domain controller, and in today's video, I will be showing you how to add a user PC controller. So I have one client PC here which is running a Windows 10 machine. I'm running on VirtualBox. So yes, we'll be adding this 10 machine our domain controller. So let's get started. So first thing we need to do is to confirm um I'm setting up I'm not using DHCP for now, so I'm setting up my IPs manually, right? So um we go to adapter, click on properties. So you go to Internet Protocol version 4 and click on properties. Use this IP. I'm using just a moment, please. So I'm using a class C IP. I'll be using a class C IP 192.168. I'm using 100.1 for my server. The subnet is 255.255.255. The default gateway, I'm going to leave it blank. I'm going to leave it blank. Why do you prefer DNS? I'm going to same IP 192.168.168.100.1, and I'll save it. Let's confirm this. IP config. So yes, this is my IP. All right. Once this is done, let me go to my user PC. That is the user PC we will be joining to the domain controller. So we need to go there. So let me switch the PC. Okay, this is PC. Property. Okay. In the adapter. Click on properties. Don't forget, this is the user PC and we'll be joining to the domain controller. So I'll click on properties. So set this as 192.168.100.2. So they need to be on same network ring. That is why I'm using 100 dots. I use 100.1 for the server and the user PC is 100.2. So if you have, many systems in the organization, let's say you have 50 systems, you need to, if you want to be setting this manually, you can, but you can also use DHCP. So which the DHCP will automatically assign IPs to each of the um. So we'll still talk about that, but for this video, let's just join this user PC to domain controller. Right. So yeah, the default gateway will be the IP of the server 192.168.100.1. Preferred DNS will be 192.168.100.1. That is the IP of our server. Click on OK, conclude. CMD. So let me open CMD, the command prompt and confirm all is okay. IP config. Okay, yes. So let me ping the I want to communicate. Let me see if I can communicate reach the server, because don't forget we are joining this user PC to the server. So both the server and the user's PC should be able to communicate. I'm going to ping the server now just to say, hey, hello, can you hear me? You get that? 192.168.100.1. And please, if you have any questions, kindly drop in the comment section. Okay, fantastic. So I can communicate with the server. So let's do the same for the um, server. Let me see if I can communicate um, from the server to the client PC. Going to do the same. Open, then ping the client PC, that is the user PC, 192.168.100.2. That is the IP of the client PC with user PC. Let's see if you can ping. So it is showing request timeout. What could probably be the issue? So we need to troubleshoot. This is why you need networking understanding. You need to troubleshoot so that we can fix it. So let's troubleshoot. So we are trying to ping the trying to ping the client PC from the server. So which means the issue is from the client PC, not from the server. So we need to go to the client PC and check whatever is going on. I'm very sure this is. You can drop in the comments section what is the issue. Um, I'm not going to tell you, but if you know the answer, you can drop in the comment section. So however, for this kind of issue, you need to check the firewall, Windows firewall, because automatically the Windows firewall is being turned on. So you need to check if that is not blocking communication. So we turn off public. Let's turn off the public and see first. So we are turning on off the public. So I'll go back to my server and repeat the same thing. Just a moment, please. Okay, let's continue. So I'm going to ping the user PC from the server again. Let's see if we can communicate with the user PC. So it is still showing timeout. So let's go back again and find out what is the issue. Don't forget we have turned off the public IP, so we are going to check again, see what is the issue. I'll go to my PC, turn off public IP. So I would turn off the let's turn off the mail as well. Okay. And one more thing, I need to check. Let me check my Ethernet settings, ping adapter properties. Okay, things seems good. Okay. And in fact, let me go back to here. Just going to turn off. Everything is on as well. This is just for a test so that we can actually get which of this is causing the issue. So we go back to our server and we do ping. Okay. So let's continue. So this is the server. Open command prompt. Let's try to ping again 192.168.100.2. Now, yes, this is correct. Now we can communicate with the user PC, right? So what we need to check is on the user PC. I disabled almost the all the firewalls, right? So you need to or go back. So you don't need to worry about this because actually this Windows firewall is not the best way to protect your systems or your server. So there should be actually, things like um strong, firewalls like hardware devices that are used to protect your servers. So now I'm going to turn on back the domain. I'll turn it on back. Let's see if it's going to affect us from communicating. I'm just doing this so that you will know the actual one, um, which is causing the issue. So now I'm going to ping again. Okay, I can still ping. So I'll go back to the client PC. So I've turned on the domain, right? Which means that the domain is not the one causing the issue. So now I'll turn on the private network, well, to see if we can still ping. I'll go back to my server, right? Then I'll try to ping again. This is what is causing the problem. You can see first time out. That's good. So we'll just leave it as this. I'm going to turn it back on. So I'm going to turn this. I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to turn this on back. Then I'll go back to my server, try to ping again. Now I can ping, right? Then I'll go back to my user PC. I'll go to public network, right? I'll try to, the firewall is turned off now. So I'll try to turn it on. Let's see if that has anything to do we not be able to communicate with the server. So I'm going to do that as well. Let's see if we can communicate. Wow, we can still communicate. So the actual root cause of the problem is our private network, which was the firewall was active. So there are different ways to troubleshoot this. So you just need to find what works best for you. So now that both the server and the user PC, which is the client PC, they can communicate, the next thing now is to join user PC to the domain controller. Without doing this first, you will not be able to join the user PC to the domain controller. So how do we do that? Now, first, you need to go to your server. Don't forget uh, you have a domain name, domain controller. So you need to go there, verify what is your domain controller name. Okay. So now on the user PC, just search for just the domain that's going to bring this access work or school, right? Info or server ADS. Okay, our server, I think we are good to go. Okay, just a moment, trying to verify. Okay, this is what I was looking for. So our domain name, our domain controller name is neutalcore.local. So yeah, let's go to the user PC, right? So we click on it. So you don't need to use email. Just click on alternate action. This is join the device to a local Active Directory. So what is our domain name? So you don't need to forget that it's neuter, or you don't need to add the .local. Just click on next. So what we are trying to do now is to authenticate the user PC with our server, right? Neuter core could not be found. Why? Okay, let's see local. Right, neuter core.local works. So anyway, this is one of the things about IT support, server administration. You need to troubleshoot, figure out how to fix things. So now we enter our server username and the password. So what we are trying to do now is to authenticate. So now click on next. Start now. So we are restarting the PC. Once this PC has been successfully restarted, the PC have been joined to the domain controller. System is restarting. Wow. So let's can we actually log in now? We cannot log into the domain because we are yet to set um the user. But however, let me show you this. So you can see now the system has been successfully, joined to the domain controller. However, as a system admin, the system administrator cannot give you password to the administrator. So no, so you have to click on others. So it will show you sign in to Neota Core. So this server administrator or system administrator is going to, if you are a new employee in the company, the system administrator is responsible for creating your username and password, and is going to some, just like where I work in my company. What we usually do is that once the username and password has been created successfully, we send the details back to the HR or to the department responsible, and they are going to share it with the user. So once you get your username and password from the system administrator or your HR, then you will be able to, log in to the server. But for this video, let's just should we do it now or do it in our next video? Let's do it in our next video. So thank you for watching, you guys. If you have any question, kindly drop in the comment section. I'll be happy to help. So thank you once again for watching this video. Until next time, bye.